Okay, hello everyone. So today we continue with our lesson. So we already know how to calculate the index number if they give you a base. Okay, so let's say price, okay, a year, right? So that can become the base. Okay, so we can compare whether, let's say, for the price, whether it become cheaper or expensive, right? Or let's say the number of accident, okay, the number of accidents, whether it's increase or decrease. Okay, so let's say from 2018 to 2019. Okay, so that is the index. Okay, now we learn, okay, how to solve the problem involving the index number. So here it said, according to the statistic, okay, from the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, the total number of visitors who visited the Taman Negara Pahang Sungai Relau in the year 2016 is 17,721. Okay, so you put here, okay, we take out the info, okay, that been given. So on 2016, okay, there are 17,721 visitors. Okay, so if the National Park, okay, Corporation targeted a 10% increase in number of visitors for the year 2018, calculate the expected number of visitors in the year 2020 if the rate of increment of the visitors from year 2018, okay, to the year 2020 is the same as the rate increment for the visitor from the 2016 to 2018. Alright, so let's see what is the information is given here. So they give you 2016 is 17,721, and also they give you the increment is 10%. So if the increment is 10%, so the index should be 110, right? Because just now, yesterday we already learned how to interpret. So let's say it's 110, so means it increased 10%. Let's say it's 95, if we calculate the index become 95%, so mean it decreased 5%, correct? So for this one, okay, it said increase 10%, so means 100 plus 10. So the index is 110. Okay, so the index is 110. So this index 110 is actually the base. Okay, what is the base used here? Okay, they use the 2016. Okay, 2016. Okay, because increase 10% increase the number of visitors for the year 2018. So mean they use the 2016 as the base year. So we want to find the number of visitors first for 2018, because there's for 2020 they ask you to use 2018 as the base, but we don't have 2018, so we need to know what is the number of visitors first in 2018. Okay, so 2018, so the base is 2016 is 17,721. Okay, then times with 100. Okay, so you calculate here, so you will get, okay, 19,493. So this is the number of visitors on 2018. Okay, then now, okay, we can calculate, okay, we can calculate the number of visitors in 2020. Okay, so but 2020 they use the base 2018. Okay, and they said the rate of increment is still same, so means still 110. Okay, so 110. Okay, so now we need to know what is the number of visitors in 2020. So they use the base 2018, so we already know 19,493, okay, times 100. Then you solve the equation, you will get number of visitors 2020 is 21,442. So mean the expected number of visitors in year 2020 is 21,442. Alright, so that's the answer. Okay, so we have another example. So the average monthly telephone bill for a school in the year 2005 was 70 ringgit. So we put here, okay, the Q 2005 is 70 ringgit. Okay, then the index number, okay, the index number of the telephone bill is 125 in the year 2012 using the year 2005 as the base year. Okay, so this one they give you the index. So the index is 125. So means 125 means the bill increasing, right? So this is the index. And they ask you to calculate the average telephone bill for the school in the year 2012. Okay, so now they already give you, they said the index number of telephone bill is 125 on year 2012 using 2005 as the base year. So we need to find the 2012, okay, the bill for 2012, and the base is 70, okay, times 100 is equals to the index here already given 125. Okay, so they ask you to calculate the average monthly telephone bill for the school in the year 2012. So we are calculating now for 2012, but we use the 2005 as the base year. Okay, so you just solve it. So 1.25 times 70. So you will get 87.5. So means at 2012, okay, the average bill is 87 ringgit and 50 cent. Okay, 87 ringgit and 50 cent. So that's the answer. Okay, so you need to know the base year, okay, and what you need to find. Okay, whether they ask you to find the index, and you have to and if they ask you to find the index, you have to know what is the base year used. Okay, then they say if they give you the index, okay, they ask you to find whether the value of Q1 or Q0. Okay, so that's one you have to read the question. So what's the question one? Okay, so I show you another example. Okay, so here the table shows the prices of 100 gram of mushroom. Okay, so the price index for the year 2013 based on the year 2011 is 135. Oh, sorry, yes, 135. So calculate the price of the mushroom per year in the year 2013. So this one also they give you the index. So the index is 2013, okay, base 2011. So the index is 135. Okay, so 2011 they already give you. Okay, so the base year they ask you what is the base. The base year is 2011. So Q, this one should be 2011, right? And this one should be Q 2013, okay, times 100 equals to 135. Okay, and then 2011 we already know 21 ringgit 50 cents, and this one is time 100. So this one also same. They give you the index. They ask you to find the Q1 or Q0. Okay, whether base or the number of the year that you want to find, or the base year. Okay. Okay. So here is 1.35. Okay. So 1.35 times this one is multiplied. Change to here, it become divide, right? So 1.35 times 21 ringgit 50 cents. So you will get 2013. So the price is 29 ringgit 3 cents. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, the next question for number 4. Okay, another example. So Jamal monthly salary in the year 2012 was RM 3,780. The index number of Jamal monthly salary for the year 2012 based on the year 2002 is 350. So here you already know the value is increasing, right? Supposed to be 100, now it becomes 350. So increase about 250. Okay. So calculate Jamal monthly salary in the year 2002. Okay. So here 2012, what is the salary? RM 3,780. Okay. And then the index number for Jamal. So the index already given here. So 315. Okay, and you need to find 2002. So here 2012. So the base year is what? The base year is 2002. So let's write the equation first. So 2012. Okay, so the base is 2002. Okay, times 100 equals to 315. Okay, so 2012 they already give you the salary is 3,780. Okay, and 2002 you need to find. Okay, and times 100. Okay, so 3.15. 3780 divided by 3. Oops. This one 3.15, right? Okay. 3.15. So 3780. Okay, so 3780 divided by 3.15. So you will get 1,200. So that is his salary, okay, during 2002. Okay. So we move to the next question. Okay. So the tables below shows the price index for three types of houses. Okay. So find the value of P. Okay. So here means 2011, 2010 is equals to 100. Means here they use the 2010 as the base. This one 2010 as the base. Okay. This one 2011 as the base. Okay, so you need to find the value of P. Okay, so the value of P is 2012. Okay, so the base is 2011, right? So you need to find this one. Okay, what is the index? Okay, so we see what's the info given here. Okay, so Q. Okay, this one we already know 230 and 150, right? So we try to make some equations. Okay, so times 100. Here we get 130. Okay, so let me check again. Okay, correct. Okay, and the second one is 2012. Okay, but base is 2010, right? Times 100, you will get 156. Okay, so now how do we want to get 2012 divided by 2011, the index for this one? Okay, so this is the first equation. Okay, this is second one. So if I want to mean the number 2 divided by number 1 equation, so 2 divided by 1. Okay, so I divide this one Q 2011 over Q 2000. Sorry, 2 divided by 1, right? Okay, so Q 2012 divide by Q 2010. Okay, then divide with Q 2011, Q 2010. So we already learned if divide for fraction, right? We need to change to multiply. So multiply, this one we go up and this one we go down. Yes. Okay, so we can just cross this one and you will get 2012, 2011. Okay, and 2012 divide by means 156 divide by 130, right? Okay, so we just use this one. Okay, so 156, okay, 156 over 130, okay, times 100. Okay, you will get the index. So 120. So that's the index for P. Alright, so for Q and R, okay, I will let you to try, okay, and I want you to do this one on your exercise book, okay, for question B and question C, okay. So I want you to try for Q and R, okay, to find the value for Q and R. So I already give the example how you want to find the value for Q and R. So I want you to try for Q and R, and also the exercise on the textbook, okay. So the self practice 10.2, okay, page 277, and also another one is the enrichment exercise. I think, wait, I check the textbook. Okay, so we have to do, no, not enrichment. And this one, no. Okay, this is intensive. Sorry. Okay, intensive exercise on page 278. The next page. Okay, page 278. Okay, intensive exercise. Okay. So just let me remind you. Okay, so I will give you a lot of exercise. Okay, a lot of exercise, and after we finish the chapter 10, I will give you the format, okay, how the question will be asked in SPM for this chapter. Okay, so you have to do a lot of exercise. Okay, so I will stop my class here, so you can continue with the work I give. So let's say if you don't understand, or you want me to help you in any question, you can text me. Okay, so thank you class. Okay, bye.